Good afternoon. It's June apparently, and today we're going to take a little walk to Dollar and Church Cove. So, this here is Dollar Cove. There's a that's Molly golf course. There's a cafe, there's toilets, and over there is National Trust parking. Wind. As you can see here, Dollar Coves, Church Cove. So we are there at Dollar Cove. So now we're going to head to Church Cove. Blowing a hoolie today. Just got to be careful here because it's a little bit steep. Look at that there, beautiful. Over there in the distance, there's Church Cove. Random car there, not quite sure how it got there. Best road for driving. My first ever time here, right on my doorstep as well. So this here is Church Cove, but I'm gonna go through the church, I think. It's quite a pretty little church. I think we've had our summer. It's been like this for days now. This is the church here. And that there is Church Cove. But we're going to go and see it from this angle around here. So we're going to walk through the church. Tiny little church, this one. I think the worst place to be buried though. Morning. Look at this. Go up here. There's that way, and that's pretty. Some steps here, up these bad boys. And this is Church Cove. Not bad, is it? Where would you like me to go next?